Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by defining who you want to keep watching. That choice drives every later decision. Once defined, pick one consistent format and commit to 4-6 uploads so the algorithm can learn you. Next, craft 3 distinct hooks for opening, early engagement, and a mid-video reminder. These keep viewers from dropping off. Make sure to set clear expectations in the first 10 seconds because viewers judge fast. Finally, prepare a simple upload schedule and batch 1-2 videos before you publish. Once you have uploads ready, structure each video with a promise, concise value, and a recap that reinforces the outcome. This shapes viewer expectations. You should time segments so nothing drags, aim for a beat every 20-45 seconds, and use B-roll or graphics to reset attention. Make cuts ruthlessly. Shorter sentences and deliberate pauses raise retention. Also, analyze watch time metrics after 48-72 hours. Then iterate on the parts where viewers drop off, because improving those spots multiplies total watch time. To finish, optimize end screens and link a single, closely related video to drive session watch time. That small nudge often doubles viewing. Then run a /B tests on thumbnails and your opening 10 seconds, changing one variable at a time. Iterate every 2-4 uploads to find what sticks. If watch time still falls short, troubleshoot by re-editing the first 30 seconds, swapping the hook, or trimming overall length. Remember, small changes compound. Keep testing until retention improves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.